Hi, I'm Mark Laurie and this is Ryan Dillon from Suntax. We're here to talk to you about the 5 most important things you need to know about the new ATO reporting requirements for the building and construction industry when they employ contractors. We basically want to provide you with the who, the what, the where and the how of the new reporting requirements. Firstly, Ryan, who needs to report?
The new reporting only relates to businesses that are primarily in the building and construction industry, who derive more than 50% of their income from building and construction. For example, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, builders. You only need to report if you make payments to contractors for building and construction services.
Okay, and what do you need to report on, or what do you need to fill in on this report?
For each contractor, you need to report on the following: an ABN, the name, the address, and the gross amount paid for the financial year. This includes the total amount paid of GST. You also need to report just the GST amount.
Okay, yep. And when do we need to report these reports to the ATO?
There's just recently been a new announcement. If you lodge through your tax agent, we have till the 25th of August to lodge this form. However, if you do it by yourself, then you have till the 21st of July to lodge your form. But if you do quarterly BASs, then you have till the 28th of July.
It's a really short time frame. Okay, and the next thing is, how do we lodge these reports with the ATO?
There are 5 ways to lodge this report: through your business portal, through the tax agent portal, through your accounting software. You can also send, you can mail in a CD or a memory stick, or you can lodge a paper form. This paper form is available on the ATO website.
I'm going to put the ATO website up on the screen. It's a fairly long address. ATO obviously don't know how to reduce their addresses yet, but have a look at it. We're also going to put up a screenshot of the form. As you can see from the form, it's 1 page per contractor, which can make this a very time-consuming process, especially if you have 50 to 100 contractors. Now the last point, who is excluded from having to be reported on these ATO reports?
The items that are excluded from this report are items that are basically just for materials and no labour in them.
Okay, and if I was a builder and I've received an invoice that I haven't paid at the end of June, do I have to put that on there or not?
No, you only include the invoices that are paid up to the 30th of June.
Okay. Let's look at maybe some real life examples. We're going to go a bit ad lib here. Ryan, let's say I was Joe Bloggs the builder and I went down to Bunnings and brought a toilet. Do I need to report that toilet on my contractor reporting report?
No. Any invoices that are just for the materials, you do not have to report.
Okay. What about if I was Joe Bloggs the builder and I got Patty the plumber to buy the toilet and install the toilet for me? Do I need to report that payment? Let's say the toilet cost $600 and his invoice was $100 for the installation.
Yes, you would. And you remember, you also have to report the full amount of the invoice for the raw material and for the installation costs.
Yep. Great. Well, that's pretty much the introduction to our new subcontractor reporting requirements. We'd like, we'll actually be adding a few updates on YouTube and via our Facebook site. We're basically going to look at how you report through using Xero, Cashflow Manager, QuickBooks and MYOB in the coming month. I would like to keep you posted on those updates, so if you want to find out more or know when these updates are up, please like Suntax on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Suntax Australia. And if you like that page, you'll basically get our notifications and updates. I'd like to thank you for your time. Our aim at Suntax is to make the new reporting requirements as streamlined as possible and as easy as possible for you guys. So on behalf of myself, Ryan and the team at Suntax, I'd like to thank you for listening and look out for our new YouTube videos coming up in the next month.